So what are we doing with this roof?
Well, we had to take it off because there was a fire in the house and the trusses over the garage were damaged. Like, too bad. So we just have to build it back. But we're missing a wall in the front. So we're actually pushing this wall forward from where it used to be to grab some extra space. And then once that block is up, then we'll start putting the trusses back on and we'll rebuild the roof.
Will you need a permit for this roof? Because, I mean, technically it's not a ground up, but there's also no roof here. So.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
You'll need a permit.
Yeah, we had to get a permit issued before we started the demo, actually.
Okay.